The political temperature in Karnataka is rising again as the internal power struggle within the Congress party becomes more visible and more bitter. Speculation about a possible leadership change in the state has resurfaced after the recent legislative session. Even though Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has repeatedly stated that he will complete the full 5-year term, rumors and political discussion refuse to die down. On Thursday, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar added fuel to the debate. He said that whenever the Congress High Command takes any political decision, they will definitely call him to New Delhi. His statement clearly showed confidence and also signaled that major political discussions are still open. Soon after this, Congress MLC and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's son, Yatindra Siddaramaiah, made a strong statement. He said that there is no leadership change being discussed inside the party and claimed that the High Command has already given a clear signal that Siddaramaiah will continue as Chief Minister for the full 5 years. Yatindra also said that the focus should now be on governance, the upcoming budget, financial challenges, and the issue of the centre not releasing the state's due funds properly instead of political rumours. But what truly escalated the situation was Shivakumar's sharp and sarcastic response. Reacting to Yatindra's comment, he said, since he has spoken as if he is the High Command, let us accept him as such. This single line has now become the symbol of growing internal tension inside the ruling Congress government. With the government crossing the halfway mark to its term, the battle of leadership seems to be intensifying. And the power struggle within Karnataka Congress is now clearly out in the open, not behind closed doors, but in front of the public and the media. The biggest question remains, is this just political noise or the beginning of a deeper leadership crisis in Karnataka?